Alright, I got something to admit here. I was definitely wrong about local AI coding. At first, I thought it was way too slow and you couldn't beat Claude and GPT. And while that might be true, Zed just dropped an incorporation with LM Studio and Ollama. So now I can decode with an AI agent without sending client files to the Zed is a code editor. It's been in closed beta for years, and version 1 just shipped. It has a built-in agent panel that connects to 14 different LLM providers. 2 of them are completely local, Ollama and LM Studio. So you can connect it in 3 simple steps, all right? And I said 3 simple steps. Open the agent panel, find LM Studio in the settings. The URL is already filled in. Hit connect, make sure there's a green check mark there. Before this, though, you need a cloud subscription to get AI inside your editor. Now you just need a model already on your machine. Once connected, you pick an agent profile, and there are 3. Right is obviously the one that you want. It lets the model read your product files, edit them, and then also create new ones. One thing that you have to set is bump that context window from 4,000 tokens to at least 60,000. At the 4K, the model doesn't even have barely enough room to even use any tools properly. And here's the part that most operators miss. No Zed subscription or even login is actually required when you bring your own local model. The bill stays at 0. Now here's the proof. I gave the agent one prompt to find missing leads in a CSV file. So it wrote a Python script and it exported a summary. The local model with the right profile, the data never left my machine. That's the biggest selling point here for me, is having it completely private. Even if it's not as fast and crazy as good as all the other ones. It's 100% free. So imagine something happens where the bill goes way around it. So it flagged 3 clients basically with missing fields. It exported the report all inside Zed. The model never even touched the internet, like I said. How amazing is that? So here's the move that most people miss. If your laptop can't run a bigger model, add your desktop as a second provider because Zed supports this natively. Run the heavy model on the desktop GPU and then switch it in the dropdown. That is the agency angle. One powerful desktop, multiple developers on the same network. No per seat charge. The hardware pays for itself fast. Compare that to running 3 developers on a paid AI tool. $60 a month minimum. Right? Just for subscriptions, just to write scripts. However, in full transparency, it's not magic and it does break sometimes. So there are 5 breaking points that I think. Anyway, so the model you pick has to support the tools calls. If it doesn't, the right profile won't work. You get chat only. With Gemma 4, it supports it. Check before you load anything else. So the default context window, like I said, is 4K tokens. So that's way too small for the agent to even use tools properly. So fix it, like I said, to 60K before you run your first task. No parallel tool calls, one operation at a time. Complex, multi-file jobs run sequentially, not in parallel. You need a real GPU for bigger models. The laptop handles small ones. Desktop can handle larger ones. And if you know anything about this, then you know what I'm talking about. And if not, then I can run a separate video for that. But the purpose of this video is we're going to continue on and I'm going to get on with thinking mode. Okay, so that makes the model more accurate, but very slow. But for simple scripts and CRUD work, just turn it off. For architecture decision, turn it on and wait a little bit extra. That mitigation is very fast. So pick a tools tagged model. Run one task. 5 minutes can tell if it actually can do the job. So, day 1, install LM Studio or Ollama. Download Gemma 4, load it up, install Zed from zed.dev, and then connect them. To set the context to 60K make sure the server's running with the green little dot on the side of the screen there. And first week, run one real internal task for a client. Clean their data, flag missing fields, export a report. Their data never left your server or their server, wherever you have it. In month 2, bill it as a private AI tooling retainer. That's the pitch. It's private, local, no recurring software cost.